That's so cool. I just want to look inside. Damn.
You tell me how much this costs?
No.
350,000.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, the stars, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been in one other one.
Little change. Oh. Maybe like booster seats for kids. Oh well. At least it's not a pistol in here or something. Get on the ground right now. Get it. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands behind your back. Don't run. Right now, put your hands behind your back.
Hey, buddy.
It's a stolen car. Sir, I'm not going to speak English. This is my car, my friend. You got this for...
Okay, let's walk him over there so we have more room. Okay.
What language you speak?
Speak Arabic. This car, my friend, you can...
Back? Okay.
Yeah, I can
Where do you live now?
Huh?
Where do you live now?
My madam? My live...
You, how did you come here?
What?
How did you come here?
Did you drive this car here?
No.
Who dropped you off? Uber?
Huh?
Uber, Lyft? How'd you get here?
Yeah, it's Uber. You can...
Okay, well look
location.
Okay, you got ID?
Yeah, I have everything.
Where's your ID?
ID is...
It's in that thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Any weapons on you?
No.
Guns, anything like that?
No. It's my friend.
What car is this to?
No, this car, no car. This is from look.
What?
For look.
Is that not a car key? What is that?
Could be, yeah.
Where'd you get the car from?
No, I am this car, my friend. You can address, you can ticket
Yeah.
for this. I have everything. It is my phone.
When did you start driving the car?
I don't know. You can address my friend in Nohel from Dubai.
He's got a whole bag of keys.
Yeah.
Mercedes, Ford.
Where are all these cars at?
No, this is not me. This is my...
Where are all these cars at?
Not speaking English. You can translation.
Okay.
I'm not speaking.
Where'd you get these keys from?
So no good to speak English. You can translate.
Temport. Were you gonna put this on the car?
This? This no.
No. What were you doing with this?
You can translate. I'm not good to speak English.
I gotta see if we have an Arabic speaker here.
Okay. You can speak?
No, you don't speak.
Look over here. Come here real quick.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
No, look at the light over here.
Yeah.
Is that him?
It looks like him, yeah.
Yes?
It looks like him.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10-4. صديقة لي قال لي ان هل يمكن ان تستلم لي السيارة وتشحنها لي وقام شخص باعطاني هذه المفاتيح.
92 witness file here at Papa Joe's. Go ahead.
The dealership.
You have a dealership?
Yeah, I have dealership.
Where's the dealership at?
No, this is my friend. But I have the work from...
Okay. You okay, buddy?
Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna come back with us and we're gonna talk a little bit more, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Okay.
Here. Got the screws for the plate in his pocket. Just gonna throw on there.
Oh, yeah, 100% he was.
You're gonna put that plate on that car? You got the screws in your pocket for it?
I'm sorry, can translate.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. More in his pocket?
Maybe something.
Oh, he had like a...
I don't know.
You don't know what this one's for?
This for key.
It's for a key?
Key from my car, yeah.
Kiki.
Key.
We'll go 350.
You in your back pockets?
Want it?
I like how the hood ornament pops up.
Yeah.
Hi. You gonna try to get out?
Yeah, this is a big car.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
No runners today. Susie, more.
Okay.
She's not gonna like that.
Well, she can figure it out.
I'll move it.
So I'll take them back because I'm gonna go back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So okay.
Thank you.
All right.
All right,
Come this way.
What is going on? I said I was gonna take this guy to the. What? I don't know what's going on.
She said she was gonna go and eat.
Yeah,
She was, like,
my
in
food's
this-
been at the station for an hour.
It was,
Where did he come out of?
We have no idea. We're parked right there.
it said an Uber dropped it off.
Yeah, that's what he said. He has like 8 other keys in his little bag and a plate. Run that plate, see where it's
He
been
had the
hitting.
plate to a like 06 Audi, and
He was ready to put it on this?
4 screws in his pocket.
I'll be transferring one male.
Because there's no plates on it, it would have gotten stopped, you know.
Sprechen Sie English?
Nope. Gotta be.
I need that bell. You work tonight?
I can give you a phone number.
I got a dude. Huh?
Is it Ahmad?
No. A Zachy from
Oh,
Burbank.
the Tinley dude I like.
Ahmad from Tinley. He's on
What's
there.
his last
He
name?
was on there.
Yeah.
Alan?
Yeah, I like that guy.
Alan?
$350K for this thing.
It's like carpet.
Yeah.
What does that do for you?
Whoa, look at this. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, the stars, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been in one other one.
Little change.
It's clean.
Extreme off-road performance. Yeah. Take it or to snag a picture. I don't got my phone on me. This thing's fancy. We'll probably just take it. Ooh, the handle's on the other side. Threw me off. The handle's on the other side.
Look at that.
That is so cool. I just want to look inside. Damn.
Can you tell me how much this costs?
No.
350,000.
Oh yeah. Look at that cute.
Probably headphones for this, maybe screens? I mean, what makes this 350K?
The name.
Yeah. I want to hear this thing start. At least we have keys.
The tow driver's gonna love this.
Yeah.
Look at the carpet. It's like an actual
Carpet.
Look at
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, that Texas plate's in here. Is that the one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no, it's not. They probably use another BS plate to get it up. Right?
Oh, and 767. Can you copy another plate? And that's why earpieces are important too.
Go ahead. You got a lot of feedback, by the way.
2022. It's probably when you bought it. I think this was like the back cover. I'm trying to see. Look, you see how this opens here? This slides open somehow. I'm trying to figure out how. Oh, what the fuck? Up? I'm very confused on what this is. I don't want to fucking break it. Oh. Fuck it.
That can't be good.
No, nothing. Oh, there you go. What's this?
Seat covers?
Oh. Maybe like booster seats for kids? Oh well. At least it's not a pistol in here or something.
I know. Maybe like TV trays or some shit, you know? There you go.
Hear that thing fire up?
Yeah. Probably badass. Oh yeah.
It'll be like a. It's gonna sound like a race car?
9,031 miles.
9,031.
Yeah.
Stolen out of Texas a week ago.
Oh my god. Why did they come to Orland Park?
Shipping it up
We're
there,
trying to
bro.
figure out. There's the keys. Take care of her.
Never drove over one of these before.
Very carefully.
Shit's worth
It's
more
about
than.
350K.
Oh yeah, way more than what this truck's worth.
All good? All right.